What's up, everybody? I'll come to you with this credit builder card. It's a primary account. I teamed up with them to offer another solution to TRADELINES. When most people talk about TRADELINES, they're authorized users, which are going to last for 30 to 60 days and will eventually fall off your report after 30 to 60 days after that. So these primary accounts, they're going to stick. They're always going to be there. And primary accounts they're stronger, and they'll show that you have more leverage when it comes to trying to obtain things with your CPN and more credit. So reports to all three major credit bureaus. You sign up in 2 minutes. No credit score to get approved. So you can definitely use your CPN with this credit builder account. Just go to creditbuilder.com/fresh credit life. It's going to be in the description, and you sign up there. I say it takes 3 primary accounts to get started with better approval odds. I learned this from some of my research I've been doing about CPNs. Whether it be credit builders, merchant accounts, or secure credit cards, it'll take 3 primary accounts on your credit profile, your CPN, to start getting approved for higher limit accounts. I know my payment processor been down on the website. People trying to get CPNs, and I'm sorry about that. So you contact me any of these avenues: Facebook, Twitter, email me. You can text or call. I'll give you a discount code to get 25% off the Tri-Merge CPN. So it's $100 now, 25%, drop it to $75 for the Tri-Merge CPN. It's tax time. Everybody got it. Get you a CPN. Start out fresh for the year. Get rolling. I have 2 CPNs myself. You can get as many as you would like to use. So just check me out, freshcreditlife.com. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, email. Well, Instagram is down. They keep shutting down on mistake. I'll try to get it back up. I've been trying for a couple of days, but I got other avenues to reach me. You can always text and call. I'll respond back. Get you a CPN. The payment processor is up. It was down. I was testing through PayPal. So everything I'm talking about is going to be in the description box below. Feel free to reach out to me and talk about CPNs and get a CPN and get going. Oh yeah, we can also do Cash App. If you don't want to do the PayPal or anything like that, you can do straight Cash App. $FLI810 is the tag. So you can also Cash App me if you want to make a payment and get a CPN. And I'll email you the applications and instructions.